Morning students. Today I am going to talk about digestion of food in human. Digestion of food in humans. Students, first of all, ingestion. 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 What is ingestion? The process of taking food is called ingestion. You all already know. The process of taking food is called ingestion. Humans take food through mouth. Humans take food through mouth. Food enters mouth with the help of hands. Food enters mouth with the help of hands. Inside mouth, teeth, tongue, and salivary glands present. Through salivary glands, saliva secretes through salivary glands. So when food particles enter inside mouth, teeth, tongue, and salivary glands are present. Student, you all already read about teeth. How many kinds of teeth are present? Incisors, canines, premolars, and molars are present. So when food particles enters, at first incisor and canines cut the food into small pieces. After that, molars and premolars chewing and grinds the food. So when premolars and molars grind the food, through salivary glands, saliva secretes. It is a fluid. Saliva is a fluid. So chewing and grind food mixed with saliva. Then tongue helps to mix the food with saliva. Here I want to mention the function of tongue. So students, what are the main function of tongue? Tongue helps to mix the food with saliva. Tongue helps to mix the food with saliva. Next function, tongue helps to swallow the food. SWALLOW. Tongue helps to swallow the food. Next function of tongue, it tells the taste of the food. And last one is it helps in speaking. So students, these all are the function of tongue. So when food mixed with saliva, tongue helps to mix the food. When food is mixed with saliva completely, tongue helps to swallow the food. Now students, we are talking about digestion of food. You should know that the process of digestion is started inside mouth. Here, through salivary gland, saliva secretes. The food that we eat, in food, starch is present. STARCH, starch is present. So what is the function of the saliva? Saliva convert starch into sugar maltose. Saliva converts the food into sugar maltose. MALTOSE. Saliva converts starch. Where starch is present, the food we eat. Saliva converts starch into sugar molecules. After that, through tongue, with the help of tongue, we swallowed the food. We swallowed the food, and through food pipe or esophagus, the food is moved down. What is esophagus or food pipe? It is a tube-like structure. Approx 25 centimeter long, tube-like structure. Approx 25 centimeter long food pipe. So, with the help of muscular movement, the food moves into downward direction. After that, the food particles enters into the stomach. It is a J-shaped structure made up of muscles. J-shaped structure made up of muscles. Okay, J-shaped structure made up of muscles, and here you can see this structure, that is called lining of stomach. Here gastric glands are present. Lining of stomach, here gastric glands are present. Through gastric glands, mucus, HCl and digestive enzymes secretes. Through gastric glands, mucus, HCl and digestive enzymes are secreted. Now, what are the functions of this? Mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes secretes through gastric glands. What are the functions of this? Mucus protect the stomach from the action of acids and enzymes. Mucus protects the stomach from the action of acid and enzymes. From where mucus is secreted through gastric gland. Where gastric glands are present in the lining of stomach. Next, what is the function of mucus? Mucus protects the stomach from the action of acids and enzymes. Next one, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid or HCl also secreted from gastric gland. What is the function of hydrochloric acid? Hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria. When we eat food or when the food is entered inside stomach, it may be the chance that some bacteria may present. So here hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria, and it also makes the food acidic. Next one, digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes also secreted through gastric gland. What is the function of digestive enzymes? Digestive enzymes, pepsin helps to digest protein present in food. Digestive enzyme, pepsin helps to digest protein that is present in food. Here, food stays in stomach about 2 to 4 hours. And most of the food digested in stomach. So students, I revise again. You will see, after eating food, after eating food? Mouth. Food enters into the mouth. Here, tongue, teeth and salivary glands present. When we eat the food is cutting and biting by incisors and canines. After that, with the help of molars and premolars, the food is chewed and grinned. Through salivary glands, saliva secreted. Saliva mixed with the food. Tongue helps to mix the food with saliva. And here, food is wet and slippery. When food is mixed with saliva. What is the function of saliva? Saliva converts the starch. Where starch is present, the food we eat, starch is present there. The saliva converts starch into sugar maltose. After that, with the help of tongue, we swallow the food. And with the help of food pipe, the food moves to downward direction and at last it reaches the stomach. At the lining of the stomach, gastric glands are present. Through gastric glands, mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes secreted. Through gastric glands. What is the function of mucus? It provides a layer around the stomach and it protects the stomach from the action of acid and enzymes. Hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria. If any kind of bacteria present in food that we eat, hydrochloric acid kills the bacteria and it makes the food acidic. What is the function of digestive enzymes? Here, digestive enzyme means pepsin present, which helps to digest protein present in food. In stomach, food stays 2 to 4 hours. And most of the food is digested here. So students, watch this video carefully. I hope you understand.